How to revise COM line. First, we need to confirm the communication interface definition. The network cables we provide are divided into 1 to 8 pin. Our communication inverter has RS485 and CAN bus ports. The RS485 port definition is: pin 1 pin 8 is defined as RS485B. Pin 2 pin 7 is defined as RS485A. We recommend using 7A8B. The CAN bus port definition is: pin 4 is defined as CAN H. Pin 5 is defined as CAN L. We recommend using 4H5L. Then we need to confirm the communication line sequence of the inverter. For example, we use a Victron inverter. It uses CAN bus. The Victron inverter communication line sequence is pin 7 CAN H, pin 8 CAN L. We are pin 4 CAN H, pin 5 CAN L. So we need to connect pin 4 and pin 7, pin 5 and pin 8 together through the terminal block. At the same time, we have to cut the excess cables. 1. Cut the network cable. 2. Strip the cable sleeve. 3. Separate pin for green, pin 5 blue and white. This part is the battery. 4. Separate pin 7 brown and white, pin 8 brown. This part is the inverter. 5. Cut off the excess cable and strip the remaining cable. Six. Press terminal block to connect the corresponding pin. Completed. Now you can connect the battery and inverter communication.